Now I'm going to explain parrot drawing. I'll keep it here, parrot head. See, like this, maximum circular oval shape only. Yeah, I'll keep it here. Circle for eye, like this, one line is there, like this, and beak like this. See, like this beak. Yes, some black tone is there, like this. Like this line. Yeah, this is green parrot, like this. Here, like this, downside. Here I'll keep it, this one wing. This side also I'll keep it one wing, like this. Here I'll keep it like this fingers, like this. Here also I'll keep it one long one and short one finger. I'll keep it here, this one tree stem, like this, and continue this bird body here. The tail is very long, see, like this. Yeah, now parrot drawing is finished. First lemon yellow, I'll keep it here, like this. Yeah, middle, and yeah, this side I'll keep it lightly, and here also I'll leave it white, upside also. Now I'll take it light green. Maximum first you'll keep it till is better. Yellow, after you can keep it green color lightly. Actually this one green color parrot, that's why I apply green color. Yeah, here little bit orange also is there here. And downside also you can keep it yellow only. First yellow, after green color. This one green color only. This one also green only. Wash my best, just again I'll put it some I am using brown color also here. Yeah, and I am using brown color for tree also. And this one dark brown also I'll keep it here. Yeah, like this. And background I am using different sap green I am using. This one sap green. Sap green plus blue color I am using. And yellow, I will keep it like this. This one light blue. I am using dark green for detail work. Dark green plus blue color I am using. I am using dark green plus blue color. Yeah, and more dark I'll keep it here also. I'm using a little bit brown also, mix it here. Like tree. I am using a little bit dark blue also for dark tone like this. Yeah. More detail I'll keep it. This tree also. Now downside I am using a little bit this green color plus blue color, some tones like this. Yeah, like this. You can more green ones, you can take it again green color. More dark ones again, some dark brown color, keep it like this. Yeah, now maximum finish almost, and keep it some brown color with some tones like this. Yeah, now watercolor green parrot painting is finished.